Today we're going to prune the tomatoes. I already did one row, and what I did is clear out all the leaves that are touching the ground. You never want to have that. And I took care of some of the leaves that are pretty yellow. We've had a lot of rain, and I think that contributed to it. So we want to get some good healthy green plants, and we want to open them up to the sunlight, so you don't want to have them too bushy. All right, so here's a row of 7 tomatoes that have not been pruned yet. There's some yellow leaves there. There's some more there. I need to do a little bit of weeding under there, not too much. But they're all growing pretty healthy. I'm telling you, if you can get some kind of a stool to sit on, it's a whole lot easier than kneeling. Now check it out. Now this one looks like it's got quite a bit of yellow on it, right? So, and it's kind of crowded down there. And look at that, it's got a pretty good sized tomato. So I'm gonna get that cleaned up. This is the other row. This first huge one here is a cherry tomato. Below it, you can see how much I cleared out there. That was right to the ground, full of leaves. Most of them were yellow. And I wanted to get it cleared out for airflow and sun, because airflow will keep the plant a little bit cool, and the sun will also. If you have big, thick, heavy, bushy plants, the insides of the plants are not getting adequate sun. So as we move down the line, you can see how I cleared out underneath. I took off anything that was touching the ground. I chose not to just take leaves off. I took off the whole stem if a leaf was touching the ground, and I just snipped it off. I'm going to show you the snippers I have, although I did a lot of it by hand. These are the snippers I have. These are beautiful for, yeah, these are Fisker. You can see how nice and small they are. And I'll tell you, you can really get in nice and close and just snip what you need. Here's a close-up of the pruning, where I've got all the leaves off the ground. I've opened up the plants to get more sunlight into the center of the plant and cleaned up all the weeds that were inside the tomato cages right up against the stems. Looks great. The beans over there are going wild. They're going to be ready to pick pretty soon, I suspect. We had a whole bunch of flowers on them already. The cucumbers didn't start out very well. I don't know what the problem was, but boy, oh boy, they're going good now. There's 3 cucumber plants right there. You're going, this guy's heading over to the tomatoes. Every year they do that. I'm going to try and put this on a trellis up against the wall here and see if it works, and see if I can't get them to climb. Now we got zucchini. This one's beautiful looking. It's got flowers and everything. This one's like half and half. And can you send me a comment if you know what happened to this one? It's got brown dead leaves on it. They're all wilting. I know for a fact it's not water because it's been raining here nonstop. Yesterday was the first day without rain. If you know what's wrong with that, please give me a comment. I'd love to know. Well, that's it for this week. It can be a quick video. That's nice. Get your tomato plants trimmed up. Get all the leaves off the ground and clean up anything that looks like it's dying, like really yellowed or brown. Cut them off, get rid of them. The leaves that lay on the ground, that's the way that the bugs come up. So you want to get rid of those too. With that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.